again, this is Eric from ZB Metal, and today we're just going to talk about something I bought at the flea market the other day, which is a reed, and this is 134.5R, and you can see it's got the lead screw on top, which is interesting. I don't own any. I own a lot of vices, but not with this size with the lead screw on top. So what we're going to do is we're going to end up restoring this, but just in this video we're just going to go ahead and weigh it and just look at some of the aspects of the vise. I don't know how old it is. If anybody knows the age of this, please let me know. But turn it around. See the round, they call this the meatball. That's the older ones have the round one instead of either the square, or like some of the reeds in the late 40s, they went to like a hockey puck design, which is like a smushed nose. So, and this is interesting too, the other old reeds I have fused jaws. This one here has removable replacement jaws, so there's 4 pins, you know, that hold that down. So, but let me get you guys in closer. As you can see, it's been painted a lot of colors. It looks like it was orange at one time, it was red, it was blue. And I know some of my reeds are dated. I can't find a date on this one. Okay, so let's weigh it. We're going to find out how much this one weighs. Okay. So usually I weigh them either before or after, and then I write it somewhere like on the base, just so I know. And then what I'm going to do is, got this piece of metal, it's already got a hole in it. All right. Let's see if I can. Turn it on. Okay, I'll take you guys over here. Okay, it's zeroed out. Let's do it. Sorry for bouncing you guys around. Almost off the table. There we go. Okay, so the reed, what number? This is a 134.5R. Weighs 73 pounds. And that piece of metal that's on there is hardly anything. So I'm going to call this 73 pounds. Okay, and then maybe the next video we'll go into you know, starting to wire wheel it down and clean it up. And usually I don't paint my vices. I always put a paste wax on them, and then I color in the numbers. So I think when they came from the factory, they weren't painted. I just think that's something people did on their own. Correct me if I'm wrong. I mean, maybe some factories. I know I have some vices here that I'm pretty sure are for homeowners for small shops, and those came pre-painted. But I think the large ones were pretty much just raw, and they come with oil on them. So, all right. Again, this is Eric from Breezy Bee Metal, and make sure to thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.